Good morning, children. Sorry, good afternoon, children. Is object and energy. Okay. Now, something we are going to clear in the chapter is what are substance, what are particles, states of substance of different object. We are going to see this. Now, tell me, children, what do you see when you're writing a chalk on a blackboard? What do you see? That the chalk gets increases while writing. Okay. The substance, the particles that falls down on the ground, it's called an particle. जो उसका भूसा गिरता है, okay, powder गिरते हैं नीचे, it's called an particle. Substance means a correct substance. The chalk, okay, smaller. The chalk reduces in size after writing on the blackboard. It becomes flat on the side from which we use it for writing. Now, what we will see, we are going to rub that, what we have wrote on the blackboard. When we wet the blackboard with a duster, okay, with the duster, we see particles of chalk powder sitting on the duster. What we see, the particles of the chalk has been stuck to the duster, okay. When the duster is tapped against a hard surface, when we are that time, what happens? These particles moves out of the duster and settle elsewhere. They are settled elsewhere. Yeah, हवे में उड़ जाते हैं और वहाँ कहाँ पे भी जाके चिपक जाते हैं, like that. Chalk powder spread everywhere. Okay. Then this was you have been shown when you write a chalk on the blackboard. Okay. What are substance? What is substance? You see, when you pound the coal or a sugar, it turns into the powder. When you pound the coal or a sugar, it turns into the powder. Again, we are going to do mixture of a sugar. What is coming out? What we are getting from the mixer grinder? We are getting a powder. Okay, that is into a small particles. It's called a small particles. Can you see the page number 127 of your textbook, children? All substances we see around us are made up of very tiny particles. You must have seen how sawdust or a particles of wood fly when the wood is cut with a saw. The wood is cut with the saw. When iron or copper is made soft with a file, we get particles of iron or copper. All substances like pencil, chalk, paper, wood, wheat grains, iron, copper, coal are all made up of fine particles. It's called fine particles that we are grinding. See the grinding machine. Can you see the grinding over there? When electricity, can you see this? When iron or copper is made smooth, iron or copper are made smooth. With a file, we get a particles of iron or a copper. We are getting fine particles of copper or iron. All substances like pencil, chalk, paper, wood, wheat grain, iron, copper, coal are made up of all fine particles. These are made up of fine particles. The small particles of various substance that we can see are themselves made up of many tinier particles. These tiny particles are so small that they are not visible with our naked eyes. Lakhs of particles are there of any substance must come together to form a particles that can be visible to us. Do you know? Children, this small particles हम लोग अगर जमा करें तो उसका substance. It's a grinder. When electricity is provided to a mixer grinder, the blades start rotating. Everyone knows that. When we on the switch of the mixer grinder, that blade inside the pot started rotating. The motor converts electricity to mechanical energy. A coil is placed with magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field. The rotate, which causes it to rotate. Now we'll see about the particles. raindrops that fall on the road, bounce off and break up into the droplet. When the rains are coming from the sky, the raindrops are there. When the raindrops that falls on the road, जब वो road पर गिरते हैं तो क्या होता है? It becomes break up into the droplets. किससे convert होते हैं? वो droplets में convert होते हैं. These droplets are also made up of tinier particles of water. They make us wet. It means that liquids are also made up of small particles. That means what? It means that liquids are also made up of small particles. Now, naphthalene is continuously being converted into small particles. Now, what is this naphthalene ball? Anybody knows the naphthalene ball? Dambarcha goya. White color balls are there. You are keeping it in the cupboard or in a bed sheet and all that. They asked her mother, what is naphthalene ball? What is Dambarcha goya, mummy? Okay, she will or he will say that what is that. She will also show you the naphthalene ball. Now, if you're keeping that naphthalene ball under the table or in the clothes or in the cupboard and all that, after a few days, when you will see that it has been disappeared because the particles vanish over there. उसमें जो particles रहते हैं वो धीरे-धीरे vanish हो जाता है, उड़ जाता है, like that. It's continuously being converted into small particles into the gaseous state. Such small particles from the ball settle on the clothes. So, the clothes to smell of naphthalene. As the particles leave the naphthalene ball, the balls grow smaller in size and slowly disappear. Particles of rangolis are fine like a flour. Particles of rangoli कैसे रहते हैं? जैसे अपनी आटा रहता है ना, वैसे रहता है. Okay? Rangoli colors are also available in the form of grains like that. Okay? Now we will see stages of substance. Tell me what are the states of substance? Are the three states of substance, which are they? Liquid, solid, and gaseous. What is formed in nature in three states? Which are they? It's a solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. What is solid? It's an ice. What is solid? It's an ice. Okay. Particles in a liquid, it's in water. Then what is gaseous? It's a cloud. It's a cloud. In all the three states, the individual particles of water remains the same. However, the arrangement of the particle in each of these states is different. Okay, its of this state is different. As a result, we see difference in the properties of solid, liquid, and gaseous. All substances in nature have the particulate forms, that is, they are made up of all particles. In nature, every substance occurs in a specific state. Accordingly, that substance is called a solid, liquid, or gaseous. For example, aluminum and coal are solid. Now see clearly, listen it clearly, not see. Aluminum and coal are solid. Kadak, solid means kya? Kadak. Liquid comes a kerosene and petrol. Okay, and then while gaseous comes a nitrogen and oxygen comes in a gaseous form. Now what is solid form? I told you now, iron and aluminum. It's a solid form. It's kadak. Okay, kerosene and petrol comes in a liquid form. वो पानी किधर आता है? Everyone knows that this color is orange and blue color kerosene. While nitrogen and oxygen is a gaseous form. Different substances have different properties. Substance may differ with respect to the properties like hardness, transparency, color, smell, solubility in the water, etc. Means what are the substance? Substance को क्या रहता है? May differ with the respect of properties like having the properties like hardness, kadakness, hardness, transparency. They can be seen. It's a transparent. Okay. Color, they must be having a blue color or a orange color. Smell is there, different types of smells are there. Solubility, कितने पानी में soluble होता है and all that. Okay, this is called a substance. Substance and their object. Now see, these are the substance and the object made up from the substance. That are object having a different shapes. Their parts are put together in a particular way. Objects are made from substance. Objects are made from substance. Substance is a kind of thing, okay? Like a wood. We are making a different types of material. Can you see the different types of shapes given over there with the help of wood? Wood से क्या क्या दिया? We are getting bed, table, chair, and the logs and all that. Okay. Now we will see energy. We will see about the energy. Energy is required to do work. Everyone knows that energy requires to do work. The capacity of a body to do work is called an energy. जो कैपेसिटी लगती है बॉडी के लिए काम करने के लिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एनर्जी. व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? एनर्जी. व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? एनर्जी. व्हेन पेट्रोल और डीजल बर्न्स इन अ मोटर व्हीकल, क्या होता है अगर पेट्रोल और डीजल हम लोग बर्न करते हैं, जलाना नहीं है, व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग दैट व्हीकल इट स्टार्टेड बर्निंग, उसके वजह से उसको एनर्जी मिलता है. ओके, इट गेट्स एनर्जी रिलीज. क्या निकलती है? एनर्जी रिलीज होती है. ओके, फिनिश और इफ इट स्टॉप burning, the vehicle too stop running. When something burns, energy gets released in the form of heat. You have learned that in your body, two energy is obtained by the burning of certain substance. Now, can you see the fuel? It's what? It's the coal, biogas, LPG gas. Okay, kerosene is given over there. These are called fuels. Coal से क्या चलता है? Train. With the help of kerosene and all that, stoves and all that, they are working. Gas, yeah, LPG gas, gas is burning. Okay. Then from biogas, something machines are working. Many machines can be used. Many machines can be run using the fuel like coal, diesel, CNG gas, LPG gas, petrol are all the substance from which energy is obtained in the form of heat. When we start the machines, जिसमें जो fuel रहता है वो उसको provide करता है energy. Provide the energy to that machine और machine energy से चलती है. When a person or a vehicle moves, heat energies gets converted into motion. Energy in the form of motion is called the kinetic energy. What is called a kinetic energy? All moving things have a kinetic energy. All moving things have a kinetic energy. Remember this. Okay. For example, when the wind blows, the windmill turns and sailing boats and clouds move from one place to the other. This work is possible only because of the kinetic energy of the wind. The kinetic energy of the wind. अगर wind flow होती है तो that wheel started running. उसमें से क्या provide होता है? Energy provides. Okay. Which other machines use kinetic energy? Do use certain tasks? How do they get this kinetic energy? A ceiling fan, a mixer grinder, a water pump, or machines in which kinetic energy is used. They get kinetic energy from electricity. Electricity is also a form of energy. Electricity is a form of also energy. Now we'll see the other forms of energy. Okay. We use several devices in which work is done using not heat but other forms of energy. For example, we use electricity to run the TV. We use electricity to run the TV. In it, the electricity is converted into light and sound energy. In a solar cooker or solar water heater, solar energy is used. Okay. Now see, in a solar cooker or solar water cooker, what is used? Which heat is used? Solar energy is used. Plants use sunlight to prepare their own food. Plants use sunlight to prepare their own food. In this process, energy forms sunlight is stored in the food substance they make. These are the substance that burns in our body and gives us all the energy we need for various purposes. When we burn substance like coal, mineral oil, store energy, the content is converted into heat energy. Sources of energy. Which are the sources of energy? हमको energy कहाँ से मिलती है? Not we use various forms of energy such as heat, light, sound, electricity, and kinetic energy. These are the energies name. Kinetic energy, which are they? Heat, light. We get an energy from heat, light, sound, electricity and kinetic energy to do different tasks. In today's world, a main source for all these forms of energy are fuels and electricity. And to produce electricity, many power stations used fuel. Many power stations are used what? Fuel. Okay. Do you know? Store of coal and mineral oil on earth are limited. In future, we will have to use mainly solar energy. From where does we get a solar energy? Can anybody tell me the answer? From where does we get a solar energy? Come on, give me the answer. Very good, Haripriya. It's from the sun. We are getting from the sun. What we are getting? A solar energy is getting from the sun. And atomic energy for the purpose of producing the electricity. Atomic energy, from where we are getting atomic energy? From where we are getting atomic energy? Can anybody knows this? Electricity. Okay, from where we get an electricity power? With the help of water. Can you see? With the help of water, we are getting from the, not from the food, bro. It's not a food. It's in water. We are getting it from the water. Okay. Now, there are batteries which produce electricity using sunlight. They are called solar batteries. Did you saw the solar batteries on the top of the buildings, big buildings? Solar batteries are there. Okay, flat batteries are there. Solar energy खींचने के लिए. Okay, this heat of the sun, flowing water and the wind do not get depleted. Besides, they do not cause pollution when used of produce electricity. But producing electricity by this method is expensive. And in any method of electricity generation, resources from the environment have to be used. Hence, making a habit of using the minimum amount of electricity is necessary in today's world. Always remember, children, sunlight, wind, and water are non-exhaustible source of energy. They must be used to the maximum extent and alternative source of energy. Now, what we have learned today, we will see it. Every substance we see around us is made up of minute particles, small particles. जो हम लोग सब्सटेंस देखते हैं वो किससे बनाया रहता है? छोटे छोटे टाइनी पार्टिकल्स से बनाया हुआ रहता है. This is the meaning of this. Every substance that we are using are made up of small minute particles. We can make different objects from the same substance. Yes, like wood, making a different object from the same substance. From wood, we can make a chair, a table, anything, a showcase and all that. This is called एक substance से कितने object we can make it. Substance are in the which form? There are the three forms, that is solid, hard, liquid, पानी की तरह, and the gaseous form is nitrogen and oxygen. The capacity of body to do work is called what? Energy. जो कुछ काम करना है हम लोग किससे काम करते हैं? Energy. और हम लोग को energy कहाँ से मिलती है? Food से मिलती है. Okay. Same like that, to do any work with the help for the machines, we need an energy that is called a kinetic energy. They get it from the fuel. They get it. The machine gets the energy from the fuel or the electricity. All moving things have kinetic energy. Everyone know that. Various forms of energy such as heat, light, sound, electricity are used to do different kinds of work. Sunlight, wind, and water are non-exhaustible source of energy. This was our chapter. I hope everyone understood the chapter clearly. This was a small chapter.